Here's our nature-made waterfall. The rain is dumping. We're getting probably 5-6 inches of rain here. Rain gutters. Everything dumping right out onto the sidewalk. Coming down, you can see the driveway. Luckily the street puts the water to the left down Hightower and to the right, so we're kind of right at the point. So we do not get much water coming down the yard or the driveway. Now if you look over there on Hightower, we got a river. You see the river going down the road? That's where all the water goes. So we get it all the way from up Hightower. But again, nowhere even close to the house. Here's the only water we get. Basketball hoop. You can see not even close. Goes right down the grass. Down the grass right there. We love this waterfall. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Love Round Rock, Texas weather. As you can see, garage dry as a bone. That's just the wind blowing a little bit in. Dry as a bone. Everything flows downhill. See that all flowing down?